welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I know it's been long, I haven't uploaded anything, and sorry for that. Been very busy. Today I just wanted to share with you something very special, that's been giving me some airtime. Let me first of all show you proof. As you can see, yesterday I received, that was on Wednesday, I received M10 for 5 kwacha. Then on this day I received for 5 kwacha as well. Then on this day, Tuesday the 17th, I received M10 for 7 kwacha. So let's jump into it. So the application I'm talking about is Let's Chat. Many people think it's a scam, it doesn't give any money, blah blah blah, but to tell you the truth, I have witnessed myself and it works. Everything works. So what you need to do is, when you register, the registration process is very simple, it's super easy, anyone can do that. You have to be checking in every day. So as you can see, congratulations, they just gave me some coins and coin conversion. Let me show you how the coin conversion works. So when you get 10,000 coins, 10,000 coins is equivalent to 1 kwacha airtime. That's in Zambian kwacha. So let me just recharge. I show you that this thing is working. Top up, they even pay back some of my balance. Oh, first before I recharge, as you can see, they've given me talk time for 23 kwacha, 0.91 good. So far, that's how much talk time, just free talk time they have given me, and it hasn't even been a month. So just installing it. So the talk, I will recharge with 3 kwacha top up. That's my phone number. Everyone who knows my phone number, it will even be in the description. Yeah, that's my phone number. Confirm. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, so it's done now. Let's just wait for the message. There's the message. True column. Congratulations. That's the new message. So I have received that message. Top up 3 kwacha from that balance. That's the new today, and that's the time, 8:10. It was 8:10 the time I received it. It's now 8:11, and let's see what's next. Info: congratulations, you have received from Let's Chat. Literally not doing anything. Yellow. Oh, I did have some credit in my account. That's why it's showing zero balance. But yeah, that's what otherwise, guys. Otherwise, just end. Don't forget, once you install it, I'll leave for you to boost up some, for you to start with some, at least some money. Once you install it, the first 4 people should use the code, should use my code, this code. I will leave it. I'll leave it in the description. There'll be what to insert the same code. Then when you insert it, you will get 20,000 coins. That's free 2 kwacha. And every day they give free 40 MBs. So that's all, guys. Enjoy the free coins. Peace out, and keep on subscribing, keep on reposting.